Let's explore tankless and conventional water heaters. We'll compare their efficiency and cost effectiveness. Plus, we'll discuss replacement frequency. First, conventional water heaters store hot water in a tank. They constantly heat the water, using energy even when you're not using it. This standby heat loss reduces their overall efficiency. Tankless water heaters, on the other hand, heat water on demand. They only activate when you turn on a hot water tap. This eliminates standby heat loss, making them more energy efficient. Now, let's compare the cost effectiveness. Conventional water heaters typically have a lower upfront cost. However, their higher energy consumption can lead to higher monthly bills. Tankless water heaters have a higher initial investment, but their energy savings can offset the cost over time. The exact payback period depends on your hot water usage. Consider your household size and habits. For small households with low hot water demand, a conventional heater might be more cost-effective. For larger families or those with high demand, a tankless heater could save you money in the long run. Tankless heaters also tend to last longer. They often have a lifespan of 20 years or more. Conventional water heaters typically last 10 to 15 years. This means you'll need to replace a conventional heater more often. Now, let's talk about replacement frequency. As a general rule, you should replace a conventional water heater every 10 to 15 years, regardless of its condition. This is because sediment buildup and corrosion can reduce efficiency and eventually lead to leaks or failure. For tankless heaters, follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Regular maintenance, such as flushing the system, can extend their lifespan and maintain efficiency. In summary, tankless water heaters are generally more energy efficient due to their on-demand heating and lack of standby heat loss. While they have a higher upfront cost, they can save you money over time through lower energy bills. Conventional water heaters are cheaper to purchase initially, but they are less efficient and require more frequent replacement. Consider your hot water usage, budget, and long-term goals when choosing between the two. Also consider the environmental impact. Tankless heaters are typically more environmentally friendly because they use less energy. To determine the most cost-effective option for your home, calculate your estimated hot water usage and compare the lifetime costs of both types of heaters. Include the purchase price, installation costs, energy consumption, and replacement frequency. Don't forget to factor in any available rebates or incentives. For energy-efficient appliances, consult with a qualified plumber or HVAC technician. for personalized recommendations and installation services. They can assess your specific needs and provide expert advice. Regularly inspect your water heater for signs of leaks, corrosion, or sediment buildup. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage and extend the lifespan of your unit. Proper maintenance is key to maximizing efficiency and minimizing costs. Choose wisely for a comfortable and efficient home.